Now that you've compiled a list of schools that interest you, it's time to narrow down your choices. This step will help you finalize your list and determine the best application timeline for each school. When refining your list, focus on the fit factors that matter most to you, whether that be academics, campus culture, location, costs, and more. Be sure to maintain a balanced list that includes target schools where your academic profile closely matches the average admitted student, safety schools where your profile exceeds the average admitted student, and reach schools where admission is more competitive. So, when should you decide to apply? A crucial part of finalizing your list is determining when to apply. There are three main options. The first is early decision or ED, which is a binding option. If accepted, you must attend. This is ideal if you have a clear first choice. Some schools offer 2 ED deadlines. ED1 is typically in October or November, and ED2 is usually in January. Early action or EA is non-binding. You receive an early response but don't have to commit until May 1st. Deadlines are usually in October or mid-November. And lastly, regular decision or RD. This is the most flexible option with deadlines ranging from January to April. There are 2 other less common application types. The first is restricted early action or REA, which is a non-binding single-choice early action option used by highly selective schools. If you apply REA, you typically cannot apply to other private schools' EA programs. Rolling admission is when some colleges review applications as they are received and continue until all spots are filled. There's no hard deadline, but applying early increases your chances. So should you apply early or regular decision? Well, you should make the best choice for you. Choosing when to apply depends on your circumstances. If you have a clear first choice and feel confident in your application, then early decision might be a great option. If you want to receive decisions earlier while keeping your options open, then early action may be the right choice. If you need extra time to strengthen your application by improving test scores, refining essays, or gaining more experience, then regular decision might be the best path. While applying early can improve your chances at certain schools, only do so if your application is as strong as possible. If you need more time to strengthen your application by improving scores or essays, for example, then you may want to go with regular decision. Before finalizing your list, ask yourself, do I have a well-balanced mix of target, reach, and safety schools? Have I considered academic, financial, and social fit? Have I researched financial aid and scholarships? And have I decided whether to apply early or regular decision for each school? We hope that this video has helped you make informed decisions about your college list. Continue discussing your options with your advising fellow and check the newsletter for additional resources and insights.